Document number 2, was the United States justified in going to war with Mexico? Here's the source, War Message of President James Polk, May 11, 1846. To the Senate and the House of Representatives. In an earlier message, I informed you that I had ordered an efficient military force to take a position between the Nueces and the Del Norte, Rio Grande. This had become necessary to meet a threatened invasion of Texas by the Mexican forces. The invasion was threatened solely because Texas had determined to annex herself to our Union. And, under these circumstances, it was plainly our duty to extend our protection over her citizens and soil. The Congress of Texas, by its act of December 19, 1836, had declared the Rio del Norte to be the boundary of that republic. The country between that river and the Del Norte is now included within one of our congressional districts. It became, therefore, of urgent necessity to provide for the defense of that portion of our country. On the 24th of April, a party of 63 men and officers were dispatched from the American camp up the Rio del Norte, on its north bank, to ascertain whether the Mexican troops had crossed or were preparing to cross the river. They became engaged with a large body of these Mexican troops, and after a short affair, in which some 16 Americans were killed and wounded, appeared to have been surrounded and compelled to surrender. We have tried every effort at reconciliation. The cup of forbearance had been exhausted, even before the recent information from the frontier of the Del Norte. But now, Mexico has passed the boundary of the United States, has invaded our territory, and shed American blood upon the American soil. A note: the war vote on May 13, 1846. The U.S. Senate, 40 yes, 2 no. House of Representatives, 174 yes, 14 no. There's also some challenging vocabulary in that document. Efficient means acting to produce an effect without waste. Reconciliation, to settle or resolve a dispute. Forbearance, to resist. Solely, only, not involving anyone else.